Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the crank pulley or the harmonic balancer. For the 0304 Cobra, there's another one, an outer one for the supercharger, and it's a lot more difficult to remove. And I'll put a link to that video in the video description if you want to see that one. Today we'll just be doing the inner one, which is the same on most cars.
But what you need is one of these reducers that goes down to a 3/8 inch, and you're going to stick it inside of the tensioner. Make sure it goes all the way in, because I've seen people strip these because they strip pretty easy. Now as you pull this to the right, you'll release tension on the belt, and the easiest thing to do is take it off here on the idler and off of the alternator, and then just basically work the belt off. If you want to, you can take this off right here and pull that bracket back to give you a little more space. But you basically just unlasso everything. And the belt is off. So now we're going to remove the crank pulley. And to do that, we're going to have to put a puller on here that pulls it away from the engine. You do not want to put a screwdriver back here and pry on it. It will punch right through this timing cover. So to prep this, we're going to throw some WD-40 in each of these threads, clean. And then we went to AutoZone and got a brand new puller kit like this. So we're just going to thread these in and put the puller on it. So using the 18mm socket, we're going to remove this center bolt in the crank. And that had a washer around it. So that's what was also holding this pulley in place. So now we can use our puller set, and what we've done is we've taken the chicken foot looking thing and put it on the big threaded rod that it comes with. And we're going to put our cap on the very front of it. That's going to help center it. Now we're going to drive it in here, and then we're going to line up the crank pulley threads with the provided rods that come in the kit. So each of them will go into the actual balancer where the threads are. So we'll line up all three of those. So with everything set up, we have three of our bolts here that have gone into the balancer all around, and then we have our threaded rod going all the way through, and we've threaded it enough to where this chicken foot, as we'll call it, is now up against these bolts. So now as we tighten this down, it's going to continue to pull the balancer away from the engine. When threading these in, be careful that you don't go too far and drive into the timing cover. So once they're in good enough, then you can continue to this step. So we'll go ahead and start ratcheting it. And as we do this, it'll pull the harmonic balancer away from the timing cover. Once again, never put a screwdriver back in here. On a bad engine that I had, I tried that to pry it away, and it cracked right through the timing cover, so you never want to do that. There we go.
And as always, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you're already following the channel, please make sure the notification bell's on for updates on the newest videos. Thanks for watching.